Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 1C and today we will present about our own solar oven.
This is the outline of this presentation, where we are going to present the theory about solar oven and its function, steps to make solar oven, show on how we test the solar oven, and then explain on how it works. Next, explain the improvement for our solar oven, and the last part is the benefits of using the solar oven.
Solar oven is designed by solar engineers to be used in sun-rich but fuel-poor areas in the world to improve the quality of life and nutrition of some of the 2.4 billion people who lack adequate cooking fuel. The first law of thermodynamics states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but changed from one form to another. The goal of solar oven is to change electromagnetic, which is the solar energy, into thermal energy, stored as heat. There are three types of heat transfer, which are conduction, convection, and radiation. The conduction is for solid and convection is for gases and liquid. The radiation will trap heat or solar energy inside the bulb. The black surface will absorb and radiate energy, while the shiny surface will reflect energy.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is AQILAH binti AZAHARI. My metric number is 198406. I will explain about what is solar oven and its function. First, solar oven is a device that uses the solar energy such as sunlight to heat and cook food material. Then, solar oven generates a good amount of energy for grilling meat, steam fish, bake, boil water and also fry food. Lastly, solar oven helps to preserve natural resources by not requiring the use of wood or other biomass fuel to cook.
The steps on how to make solar oven will be explained in this video. Now, let's see on how we test the solar oven.
Okay, next I will explain about how solar oven works. Firstly, solar oven trap light particle called photon to generate heat. Secondly, The metal reflectors around the oven will help to trap more light input. Third, photon will pass through the oven transparent glass top and strike the interior of the insulated box. Then, the dark metal pot, which is placed at the center of the oven, will absorb the incoming photon. And then, as the heat reflected back to the metal pot, the oven temperature would rise rapidly. So that's all. Thank you.
Next, let's see how we can do some improvement to our solar oven. Firstly, we can use material that's subjected to high heat like natural wood, aluminium, porcelain, and glass. Secondly, we should avoid using plastic, paint, and other sealants like silicone, glue, or rubber, which is hard to build this kind of solar oven. Thirdly, we should avoid cancer-causing chemicals, and most importantly, it doesn't alter the taste of the food. And lastly, the important key for this solar oven is insulation. Now, let's do some comparison to our solar oven. Firstly, we can replace the aluminum foil with aluminum sheet. This is because aluminum sheet have higher thermal conductivity than aluminum foil. Aluminum sheet can absorb more heat than aluminum foil. Next, we can put fiberglass that have formaldehyde-free insulation to prevent from being smelly inside the box. It is suitable when involved with food. The best existing home insulation option is fiberglass, cellulose, and spray foam. We should also seal with glass that can cover the entire things at the top. This picture is one of the best example for heat solar oven that can reach 176 degrees C, which is also 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's see how the best example for heat solar oven works.
Right, so let's cook some rice. Put it in here. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I think we are done here. Current temperature is 350 degrees Fahrenheit or about 175 degrees Celsius. So let's get the rice out. There we go. Really nice. Nicely done. Yeah. Nicely done. Nice and soft. Cooking rice is one of the hardest thing to cook. It requires
There is a lot of benefit of using solar oven rather than the normal oven. The first benefit is solar oven is free. After making or paying the material for solar oven, there is no other cost. There is no need for gas, generator or any other fuel. The second benefit of using solar oven is the solar oven make no noise. As mentioned before, we have to use our generator when cooking. But with solar oven, there is no noise and no smelly diesel fuel. The third benefit is food cooked with solar oven is healthy. This is because when cooking food with low heat, vitamin and other nutrients do not break down. The last benefit is solar oven are portable. You can put solar oven anywhere you want.
Thank you.